Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw into an IRA rollover using Schwab Intelligent Transfer, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing into an IRA rollover using Schwab Intelligent Transfer, first, log into your Charles Schwab account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts section of the website. Select Transfers from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the option for Transfer Money. You will then see various transfer options. Select Transfer to an IRA to initiate the withdrawal process. On the next page, specify your current account type from where the funds will be transferred. After that, select your IRA rollover account as the destination. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. If needed, review the available cash balance in your account to ensure you have sufficient funds. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and account details. Once verified, confirm the transfer details are correct. If necessary, review any tax implications associated with your withdrawal. After confirming all details, click on the Submit button to process your transfer. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen indicating that your request has been submitted. You may also receive an email confirmation for your records. Monitor your account for updates regarding the transfer status. It typically takes a few business days for the transaction to complete. If you have any questions during this process, utilize the help resources available on the Schwab website or contact customer support for assistance. Once the transfer is complete, you will see the funds reflected in your IRA rollover account. Make sure to keep track of this process and store your confirmation information securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.